ACC912 Intelligent Evaporator Cleaning Machine can clean the evaporator under visible condition and no distance. QJ-20 Evaporator Cleaning and Sterilization Agent Set is composed of indoor purification agent, sterilization and antibacterial agent and strong cleaning agent. Processing steps. It is recommended to put waste liquid, recycle container. Step E. Turn on endoscope and check the surface dirt of the evaporator. Step R. Add cleaning agent in the package into each liquid inlet. Step 3. Turn on machine, spray cleaning agent on the surface of evaporator evenly. Wait about 5 to 10 分钟. Use the next step. Step 4. Spray sterilization and antibacterial agent on the Step 5. Spray purification agent on the surface of evaporator. After cleaning, install the AC filter. If it is too dirty, we suggest to change a new one. Start the engine and set the air conditioning speed to maximum and make it in external circulation. Open car door and window.